First, go to Settings, gives Camera. Open Record Video and select 4K at 60 FPS. Turn on Enhanced Stabilization. Turn on Action Mode, Lower Light. Turn on HDR Video. Go to Auto FPS and select Auto 30 and 60 FPS. Turn on Camera Lock. Go back and open Record Slow-Mo. Select 1080p HD at 140 FPS. Go back and open Record Cinematic. Select 4K at 30 FPS. Go back to Formats. Select High Efficiency. Go to Photo Capture and select 24MP. Turn on ProRAW and Resolution Control and Apple ProRAW. Go back and open Composition. Turn on Grid and Level. Go to Indicators. Turn on Flash, Live Photo, and Action Mode indicators. Select Default to 24mm to 1x. Turn on Lens Correction. These settings will help you get the best camera quality, stabilization, and professional-looking videos on your iPhone.